Engine dismantling. Transmission. Remove the crankshaft. Always place the crankshaft in the crankshaft holder. Remove the right crankshaft bearing thrust plate. Always place the thrust plate in the crankshaft. Remove the gear shift fork shafts and the gear shift forks. Mark the gear shift forks removed from the countershaft and main shaft as R, L and C. Remove the gear shift drum. Remove the main shaft and countershaft simultaneously and place them on the gear shaft holder. Finally, dismount the right crankcase from the engine jig.